Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your KuCoin account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kucoin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official KuCoin homepage. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and then enter your email address and your password and proceed forward to logging into your account. Once you are logged in, you will end up within your homepage, from which if you wish to change your password, click on the security option at the left menu. This will now open the security settings, from which if you wish to change your password, you will see the login password option underneath advanced settings. Click on the change option at the right side and now you will be asked to enter your current password first in order to change it by verifying your identity. Just enter your current password that you used to log into your KuCoin account and then underneath you can type in your preferred new password. Type in your preferred new password and then type it in once again for confirmation and now click on the submit button and your password will successfully be changed on your KuCoin account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on KuCoin. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.